Kosovo, one of the most militarized zones in the world. I was posing as a terrorist and was offering my £1 million for the right hardware. Now my aim was to expose the arms dealer, Hulji. He sold me 15 kilograms of Semtex through a middleman called Sinbad. And I'd been cheated. In the lining of the bag was over a kilo of lead.
What is this?
This is lead. It's an expensive bit of lead. I think our boys, they may owe us a couple of spare Kalashnikovs.
Yes. This is for me, you know, I see it like a problem. I have to tell him about this because you have to check out the guys. Only mention present for you. He's Smith Wilson, you know what it is. So
thank you very much.
New one, but
the gift of the pistol was a sign of Hulji's willingness to do business with me.
But we're interested in Kalashnikovs and the
Kalashnikov and rocket.
how many do you need?
well, how many has got?
You can go very, very high, he said to me. We can do a business 500.
Yeah.
500 to 1 million.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then I want to know, where am I, Michael?
You are, I think a percentage, we give you 15% gross, and whatever else you can make on the side is yours. No problem. You're the businessman. Before the big deal, I want to meet the big man. I think that's fair.
I will talk with him, you know. I will talk with him and we'll see what we can do.
Yeah.
Lot of spies here.
Yeah.
Maybe you cannot imagine that, but all of these people are spies, you know.
That evening, Sinbad arranged a meeting with Hulji. If he was the man we believed him to be, his war trophies included the severed heads of his enemies. During the war, Hulji and the KLA used terror tactics to rid Kosovo of the Serbs. The roads of Kosovo bear witness to their handiwork. These are the villages and houses of Serb families driven out or killed by the KLA. After the war, the KLA were forced to disband, and now the UN keeps the peace. Now the KLA occupy key government posts. But others in the movement have kept their guns and have turned to organized crime. Hulji was one of their godfathers, and I was about to double-cross him. Sinbad demanded 15,000 euros for a meeting with him, and we'd no intention of paying.
Have you done a will?
A will?
Do you have a will? A will?
Oh, no.
Why not?
So to get through this.
We hoped we'd already won his confidence. I paid for the Semtex, no problems. And now he was promising me a gun as a gift.
No worries.
But there was a chance we'd be searched. I decided to take my chances.
You are coming just along with me, and I have to check you. I'm sorry for this. I will check him to not be wired. You wanted the bus is here. I told to you last night he has a problem. He came just for me and you said, I will give you 15,000. Have you told me here?
Yes, I've told him.
Because of that, I told him I own to this guy that you have to see him. Don't joke with me. The motherfuckers are there waiting for me.
Come on, business.
We will think that I'm joking.
Okay.
Somebody
Where do you want to go?
come and kill me because of you. I'm sorry for this. You have to give me money.
This wasn't going to plan. I had to strip my secret gear off, and fast. I used getting the money as an excuse.
Let me get 1,000 euros for you.
1,000? No. You under 10,000, you are not leaving Pristina, Michael. Because this is a business. I want 10,000 for my safe. 1,000 I have spent for my expenses.
No, exactly.
No.
That's what I'm saying.
Please, you are playing with the fire. I don't want you to have a problem. I'm talking like to the brothers. They will kill me because of you, not you.
Me as well. I'm fucking here.
In the house, don't stay. Wait. He will have a problem. He knows that. Where are you? And also you are in trouble. Don't forget this. You disappointed me, you know.
Let me go up. I'm going to find a temporary solution to a temporary problem. 2 seconds.
Okay.
I'll get some cash. Okay.
Michael,
I'm going to get some cash.
You are sure?
Let me get some cash.
You be sure with my life you can kill me now.
Hey,
for that I'm
listen,
armed.
I got.
We don't want to go like this.
Give me a whiskey at the bar, and then we go.
Okay.
You disappoint me. We had to do a lot of business.
Listen to me carefully. Listen to me very carefully, okay? I tell you, play the long game. You will get your money.
Yes.
You are rushing.
No, I'm not rushing.
You are. You are. I'm sorry.
You
You're
told
putting
me.
pressure. You're putting pressure. You are rushing. Just relax.
Bit of a concern. Our intermediary is a bit upset.
I suspected a body search was inevitable.
We're now going to go strip this off and hopefully meet number 2 in the KLA red kit. Hope it's worth it. Kit.